To monitor system flow, connect the I2CF 800 series controller to a compatible velocity-based frequency-type flow sensor that uses pre-calibrated K-factor and offset like the Hunter Flow Sync sensor. Refer to the sensor's manual to identify wires and follow installation steps for your specific model. First, connect one sensor wire to the flow terminal and the other to the common terminal on the power module. Near the flow sensor output, you'll notice a second terminal labeled with a weather icon. This is used specifically for connecting a Hunter weather sensor, such as the solar sync, rain click, mini click, or soil click sensor. Each input is dedicated. Flow sensors go to the flow terminal and weather sensors to the weather input. Be sure to make the right connections, as mixing up the wires can disable features like flow monitoring and automatic rain shutoff. If you're not installing a solar sync or click sensor, leave the red jumper wire between the weather sensor and common terminals on the power module. This ensures a closed circuit so your controller can perform all functions as intended. After you've successfully wired your flow sensor to the power module, you're ready to activate the ICC2 controller's built-in flow monitoring.